The Earth rotates on its axis at an incredible speed of approximately 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator. This movement shapes day and night and creates a delicate balance between gravity and centrifugal force. This gives a sense of stability that we almost never notice. But let's hypothesize. What would happen if the Earth suddenly stopped for 3 seconds? It would be terrifying, as the entire balance would be disrupted, triggering a series of chain reactions, turning our planet into unprecedented chaos. Now, let's explore what would happen together. As we know, the formation of the Earth's rotation is the result of physical and astronomical processes that have occurred since the solar system began to form, about 4.6 billion years ago. In the early stages, Earth and other planets experienced numerous collisions with meteorites and asteroids. One of the largest collisions is believed to have occurred with a Mars-sized body, called Theia, creating the Moon. This collision not only changed the speed and direction of Earth's rotation, but also stabilized the tilt of its axis, helping to maintain the seasons. According to Newton's law of inertia, an object will continue moving at its initial speed unless acted upon by an external force. If the Earth suddenly stopped rotating, everything on its surface, including air, seawater, and humans, would continue moving in the previous direction of rotation at an incredible speed. At the equator, people would be flung eastward at speeds equivalent to a supersonic jet. Anything not firmly attached to the ground, such as cars, houses, and trees, would become deadly projectiles, causing unimaginable destruction. The air, which was moving along with the Earth, would continue to rush at an extreme speed. This would create winds as strong as a Category 20 hurricane, far more powerful than any storm ever recorded, flattening everything in their path and ripping apart the Earth's crust. What about the oceans, where water constantly moves due to Earth's centrifugal force? If the planet stopped rotating, seawater would be violently pushed towards the continents. The result would be colossal tsunamis hundreds of meters high, devastating coastal cities. Places like New York, Tokyo, and Sydney would be submerged in water within minutes. But it doesn't stop there. Not only would Earth's surface be affected, but the balance between the Earth's core and outer crust would also be disrupted. This would lead to catastrophic earthquakes globally. Increased pressure from within the Earth could trigger a series of volcanic eruptions, creating an unimaginable catastrophe. Unfortunately, there is no viable solution to prevent or mitigate the consequences if the Earth suddenly stopped rotating. Such an event is inconceivable in reality and beyond the current technological and physical capabilities of humans. After just 3 seconds, if the Earth started rotating again, you might think it would be a relief. But no, our planet would never be the same. Gravity would cause seawater and the atmosphere to redistribute, completely altering the geography. Areas that were once densely populated could become deserts, while new lands might emerge from the ocean floor. Everything would become desolate. All buildings, infrastructure, and farmland would be destroyed. Honestly, no one would be able to survive on Earth if that happened. Life would need millions of years to adapt to the new environment. But for humans, those 3 seconds would mark the end of our current civilization. Fortunately, the scenario of the Earth stopping its rotation is not something likely to happen in the near future. According to scientists, our planet will continue to rotate for billions of years to come. Through this, we realize the wonders of nature and the importance of protecting our planet. Every day that the Earth continues to rotate steadily is a gift that we often take for granted. Let's cherish every moment that the Earth keeps spinning, because it's the foundation for all the wonders in life.